in terms of commercial real estate market, I actually just attended our CCIM Certified Commercial Investment Member Institute's meeting last week in Boston, and I definitely have received a ton of updates. If you look at this chart, how fast the Fed has increased the federal fund rates compared to any other time when they increased the rates. They, like some of these, for example, here is 2015. It took 36 months to increase just about 2% on the Fed fund rate. For us, 2022, it increased in just less than a year, over 4% in just 2022. It shows that how this trend can really have quite a bit of impact in the economy. And then now this year, though, 2023, they are going to slow down on the increase, but they're not stopping yet. They had already increased another 25 basis point in March. They're predicting that they're probably going to increase another 25 basis point in May, but they do believe that the Fed appears to be coming close to an end of its rate hiking cycle. So hopefully we're not going to see too much of an increase, but I know that they are still trying to target an inflation rate at 2%, and we are still quite a ways to go in order for them to slow down the inflation. That's why it has caused quite a bit of panic in the society, including companies laying off people, banks are shutting down, and so these are things that the after effect of the Fed fund rate being raised so quickly. And this is a CREPI CREPI index. It's a new index that is brought in by CCIM economist Casey Conway. And this is a measure of the U.S. economy and commercial real estate property condition. It comprises of 10 forward-looking measures. And so it reflects more decline, what the consumer, small businesses, and housing industry are telling us right now is that, as you see here, we had quite a bit of confidence back in November 2020, but it has dropped all the way down here in July 2022, although it started to come back up slightly, but we are still really far from where we were in 2020. One of the biggest news right now is that, as you know, the Google was building this mega campus in San Jose. And right now, CNBC has reported that they are on hold and got a lot of people really, really freak out. And San Jose Spotlight, they actually had mentioned that Nancy Klein, who is with the San Jose Economic Development Director, and she had said that obviously, this is a 15 to 20 years build out. So there is definitely cycles. The economy is not doing as well. And it's not surprising that Google is pausing right now. But I think that title with CNBC kind of scared a lot of people because they thought like, oh no, it's like the whole mega campus they're not going to do it anymore. I'm not saying I know what's going to happen, but I really think that it's just going to be a pause. They have invested tremendously in this, downtown San Jose. It's just a matter of when the economy is a little bit better, they most likely is going to come back and start the demolition. And of course, we have another bad news is that Meta had announced that they are going to lay off 10,000 people, right, from their company. So this news definitely had shaken the economy and also a lot of people. It sounds pretty scary because even some of our clients who work for Meta had some concern as well, whether they should continue to look for homes or not. So this is very understanding, but that has caused quite a bit of fear and some of the consumers. And office market, if you want to see San Francisco and San Francisco, we're actually kind of starting to recover, but like San Jose, we're actually in recession, and also mainly because San Jose has a lot of office buildings being constructed right now. So they have a ton of supply for sure in downtown San Jose. As for the industrial market, we're actually still going up. We're at the peak right now in the industrial market, even though we say commercial real estate market is slowing down, but in the industrial market is still really, really hot. And then in terms of retail markets, San Francisco and San Jose, we also almost at the peak right now. Hotel market, though, on the other hand, we are right here is starting to go back up. We are still not at the peak, but then we are definitely in the expansion stage. Reminder with everybody, be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and also LinkedIn. And of course, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. So I look forward to seeing you guys next month. Talk to you soon. Bye.